Hey friends, welcome back to a new vlog of TripAdvisor. Let us visit a less popular but beautiful waterfall in Thrissur district called as Olichi Waterfalls in this vlog. If you are watching my channel for the first time, please do subscribe and click on bell for more travel videos. It is located at Kottupuram, which is at 20 km from Thrissur in Kerala. Based on the location in the map, you can reach a place where you can park the vehicle and then you need to walk for around 20 minutes to reach the falls. Please check with the local people if you are not sure about the path. And I recommend you can visit here in groups. You need to do little trek to reach the top of the falls. Usually the water flow here is less, so be prepared so that you can get wet in the falls. You can find a path from the left side of the falls. We just try to go further to see if there is any other viewpoints. If you walk further on this way, you can find a small viewpoint and a rock where you can take photos.
രസമുണ്ട് നല്ലൊരു 4 മണിക്കാറ്റിൽ പോയ പോലെ ഒരു ഫീല്.
This is another beautiful place which is just above the waterfall.
അവിടെ ഇരുന്നു.
Found a big wildflower near to the falls. If any of you know about the name of this flower, please mention in the comments. Overall, I can say this is the best place if you want to visit a place which is less crowded. Do visit this place and let me know your opinion in the comment section below. If you enjoyed the video, please do like, share, subscribe and click on bell. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.